Hey John, what are you doing today? I am drawing. Can you tell the name what I'm drawing? I can try. You always draw a track. Maybe it could be a track also. No, it is not a track. You can try. Can you just give me a hint? Where use this type of vehicle? I can give you a hint. Actually, that is used in a construction area. Construction area. Yeah, I can remember. I know that. That is concrete mixer machine because I can see the mixing area. Jerry, you're really smart, huh? Yeah, that is concrete mixer machine. And how it looks, Jerry? Oh, yeah, it looks really awesome. Do you have color? Yeah, I'm using color now. Can you tell me what color I'm using right now? It looks, yeah, I know that. That is blue, right? Yeah, that is blue. I know more color. Do you have more color to use on it? Yeah, I have few more. Please wait. Yeah, blue is finished. I'm using another color. Yeah, that is simple. You know that color. That is orange, right? Yeah, it is orange. And will you use more color? Yeah, I'll use more color. I will use yellow. Yellow. Yes. Yeah, that is yellow. Yellow for banana, right? Yeah, yellow for banana. Can you spell that? Yeah, that is Y-E-L-L-O-W, right? Yeah, that you are correct. Yellow. And I'm using a few more yellow here. And then next color. Yeah, you're drawing really awesome, huh? You know really great, huh? It seems to look like a real concrete mixer machine. Oh, awesome. Really cool. Thank you, Jerry. Yeah, John, you're really great. Oh, yes. So you're using yellow color all over the concrete mixer machine. Yeah, I have green color also. You can see the green color now. Yes, green color on the glasses area, right? Yeah, green color on the glasses area. This looks really good. I like it. How many subscribers in your channel, John? I don't have a lot of subscribers, but I can say I'll get a lot of subscribers soon. Yeah, I'll tell my friends to subscribe Kids Drawing TV. Yeah, thanks, Jerry. To tell your friend to subscribe my channel.